All right, good evening, everybody. A real quick update here for you. It is now 8:22, and we're going to go ahead and continue with updates throughout the evening until the threat for severe weather goes down. So however long this takes, we'll be here for you. All right, let's go ahead and check out Live 11 Live Radar right now and show what's happening, where the storms are, and a lot of folks up there. There's Walker, Dade County, Catoosa County now getting some pretty strong winds, a little bit of lightning in there as well. I'm going to go ahead and show you what type of lightning we've got going on right now, and latest count. Let's see if I can do that. This counts 3 strikes. We didn't box all that in. This little complex of storms that's starting to move in here, we've seen just about, let's see if I can move this down here for you, just about 60 to 70 lightning strikes in the last 15 minutes. So, yeah, you know, there's not a tremendous amount of lightning, but nonetheless, lightning is lightning, and that means these storms are continuing to be a little bit on the strong side. Now, nothing was severe as of 8:22, but let me go ahead and loop this here for you so we can kind of talk about what we think is going to happen over the next 12 hours as these storms continue developing and moving down to the east right now at about 30. You'll notice these storms right there. Notice earlier they were right here. So they've got a little bit of a southward trajectory right now. And these storms out here as well, we're starting to move off towards the south. So this is the direction that these storms are moving in. Right now is generally down towards the south and east at around 30 miles an hour. So let's go ahead and put a trajectory on these and talk about what we think is going to happen with them. So there they are, they're moving south. So that would cross parts of Bartow, also parts of Cobb, move through potentially near the Alpharetta and also near the Roswell, Johns Creek area. And these storms out west move through Carroll County, Carrollton, also down towards Douglas County, South Fulton, over towards Coweta, Fayette, Rockdale, as they travel off down towards the south. Actually, Rockdale's right there, but nonetheless, we could probably see a storm in Rockdale. Well, so let's check out how our forecast track is doing. This is our forecast track as of 9 o'clock. Now, remember where those storms are. A little bit of a separation right here. We've got one little cluster to our northwest. This is the storm cluster that I think is the models are trying to indicate being right here, and these storms are what the models are trying to indicate being right here. So let's advance it and see where they head. And same exact thing, they're heading down towards the south and east. This little complex moves right across metro Atlanta down to Marietta, but I think that one moves a little bit farther to the south. I think what we talked about earlier is the exact trajectory of these storms. By 7 o'clock in the morning, they're all gone. All right, check out our planner then for tonight. 62 by 6 o'clock tonight, 58 by 10 o'clock. Chance of rain by 10 o'clock, around 40%. Best chance of rain in the metro area will be around midnight tonight. And chance goes down to 20% by 7 o'clock in the morning. All right, we'll have another update and keep you updated on storms throughout the evening hours. Right here on the 11 Alive Weather blog and, of course, on other venues as well. And if we have any tornadoes, we'll let you know as well, of course, on TV.